So can you mute everyone
We will do that after the quiz is
when
live.
you start the quiz?
Yes, absolutely. Thank you for your suggestion, but you'll do that. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Fantastic. So we will start now. Okay, are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. So we are starting the quiz. Okay, best of luck, everyone. And you have to all switch on your cameras. Okay, the quiz
Okay,
is starting now.
Thank you, sir.
The first question is on your screen now. You have to enter the answer. Okay.
Sir, you have not muted them.
Yeah. 1 second.
Hello?
Sir, I have sir, others it is
Hello?
it is others are still answering. You are
Yeah.
too
1 second. 1 second. I will just participants. 1 second. Okay, so we have the first question. 1 second. 1 second. Yeah. So, okay. So you are allowed to mute now. The first question was, Rangoli is a traditional decoration. What is it made up of? And almost all of you got it right. It's colored powder, sand, or rice. Fantastic. We'll go to our next question now. Okay. Anyone who has a query now? Yes, we have reduced the noise now, so it is peaceful. The next question is on your screen now. So who is Ravan? And we have to answer it quickly. Remember, there is a value for doing it fast and doing it right both. So what is the leaderboard saying? Vaibhav, Rahul, and Yug are the top three. So in this quiz, do you know the first one, the one who gets first will get a voucher, and top three will get certificates. These certificates are internationally valid. We are going to the next question now. What is the name of the prince and his wife in the Diwali story? This is fantastic. You guys are doing it very fast. Superb. This should be easy. It's actually in the photograph also. Time's up. Let's see the leaderboard. So Vaibhav, Yug, and Rahul are the top three. Anvesha and Natali are catching up. The answer is Ram and Sita. And almost all of you got it right. 74 of you answered and 73 were right. Let's go. Guys, please do not answer on the chat. The next question is on your screen now.
What is the poem of Raman?
What is the poem of Rama and Sita known as? Let's see who all are getting it right. Time is passing by. Time up. 75 of you have answered. Let's see how the leaderboard looks like. We have Vaibhav, then Shivani, then Natali are the top three, and Nahanan and Disha are the fourth and fifth. Yes, it's called the Ramayana. Uh, Note that you have to switch on the cameras and you have to submit your photographs on the podium page after this. The marks are for both the speed and accuracy. So do it faster and do it right. The next question is on your screen now. What recognizable feature does Ravana have? What was so unique about Ravan? This I'm sure you would be knowing. Yes. Anika, I know that you are knowing it right, but that's okay. Time up. Let's see how we are having the leaderboard now. We have Vaibhav, Shivani, and Natali, and Nahanan and Satvik are the fourth and fifth. That's right. It's 10 heads. Almost all of you got it right. So are we ready for the next question? Remember, the marks are for both the speed and accuracy. And we have to make sure that we do both of that. Okay. We will go to the next question now. How long were Rama and Sita exiled for? Now, this is an interesting one. And if you have followed the Ramayana, you would be knowing this for sure. This is the easy quiz. Yes, a lot of you are saying this. Yes, Vanshika, the questions are easy. I hope you are in the top three right now, Vanshika. Let's see. Vaibhav, Shivani, and Natali, then Satvik and Namesh and Nahanan are the top seven. Guys, we have a lot of questions remaining, so put your thoughts in place. And the next question is on your screen now. What does the word Diwali mean? This is our question 7th only. We have still 28 questions to go. So guys, you have a lot of effort already remaining. Do it faster, do it right. Time's up. Let's see what the leaderboard looks like now. We have Vaibhav, Shivani, and Natali, but Nahayam and Thanya are now catching up. This quiz is for age group of 4 to 8, and you have to keep your cameras on. Now let's see the next question now. Which two Hindu gods are celebrated during Diwali celebrations? Now, I'm sure you can see it in your house only or nearby. You have seen a lot of movies. Whoever is saying it's so easy, I'm sure they are in the top three by now. So, Vanshika, let's see what is your score. The leaderboard is Vaibhav is still in the lead. Shivani and Natali are still on the top, second and third. Then we have Abhigyan and Amish. Let's see. Okay, Lakshmi and Ganesh is the right answer. A lot of you got confused with Rama and Lakshman. So, guys, actually, the puja is done of Lakshmi and Ganesh. We'll go to the next question now. That's right, Keshav, but please don't share the answers during the quiz, okay? We are going to the next question now. The next question is on your screen now. Which deity is goddess Kali said to be emerging from? All of you have to put your cameras on. I can see a lot of you who have not put your cameras on, like Arunima, Shivani, Ayush, Rohit, Badrinath, Vaibhav. Vaibhav, you'll have to put your camera on, else we'll have to. Vaibhav, Natli, and Namish, the top three, you'll have to put your cameras on, because if you're not on, then we'll have to disqualify you. This is a quiz, which is an age-bound quiz, so we will have to see how you're doing. And hence, if you're not on the camera, we will disqualify you, and the next will get the prize. So all of you switch on the camera now. The next question is on your screen now. Let's see the leaderboard. Vaibhav, Natali, and then we have Namish. Guys, switch on your camera now. The next question is on your screen now. I hope you have all switched on your cameras by now. You will not be given a certificate and prize if your cameras are switched off. Vanshika, you can do the same again, and you can join the quiz again. We have Vaibhav, Natali, and Stavan who are in the top three now. The answer is Vardhan Mahavir and Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Now let's go to the next question. Which deity is worshipped on Dhanteras? Time up. Great. Let's see the leaderboard. Vaibhav, Natali, and Stavan are the top three still. The next question is on your screen now. Remember, there is marks for speed and correctness also. Okay, the next question is on your screen now. According to the Hindu mythology, what is the message of the Rama and Sita story? Time up. Let's see the leaderboard. We have Vaibhav, Natli, Stavan, Nayan, and Srijit. Same. Uh, the it celebrates the triumph of good over evil. That has been the story of Ramayana. Let's go to the next question now. It's on your screen now. What is the name given to the first day of the Diwali festival? Time up. Let's see how we are doing. So the leaderboard, has it changed? Vaibhav, Natli, and Stavan are the top three again. Nayan, Devyansh, and Yug are the next three. The answer is Dhanteras. And we'll go to the next question. Guys, switch on your camera, okay? That is very critical. The next question is on your screen now. Who is Sita an avatar of?
more questions बोल दो.
Yes, Vanchika, the questions are getting hard. The time is up now. Let's see the leaderboard. We have Vaibhav, Natli, Stavan, and Nayan and Devyansh are catching up. This was the 15th question. We still have 20 questions remaining, guys. Buck up, and all of you can change the results now. It's not even halfway through. So, best wishes. Keep doing it faster and more accurate. The next question is on your screen now. Let's see the leaderboard now. It's Vaibhav, Natli, and Nayam are the top three. Stavan and Rahul are the fourth and fifth. Guys, you have to show your cameras, okay? The next question is on your screen now. Ram, Sita, and Lakshman returned to which kingdom after 14 years? Time's up. Let's see the leaderboard. Vaibhav, Natli, and Nayam are the top three, and Stavan, Harshika, and Siddhijit are catching up. Let's go to the next question now. The swastika symbol, which is drawn on the puja thalis, represents what? Time's up. Let's see the leaderboard. It's Vaibhav, Natli, and Nayam. The gaps is reducing. Even one question can make a difference. Keep doing it faster and more accurate. The next question is on your screen now. Who sent Lord Rama to the forest for 14 years? Ask. Time's up. Let's see the leaderboard. We have Vaibhav, Natli, Nayam, Stavan, and Yug. All of you have to switch on your camera. The answer is Queen Keikei. It was a very interesting story, and I'm sure you're aware of that. Let's go to the next question. Accuracy and speed. The next question is on the screen now. This was a tough one because I see a distribution across all the questions. The answer is Lord Mahavir attained Nirvana on the same day. In terms of questions, we are on question number 20. Just 15 more questions to go. You can still change the results very soon. The next question is on your screen now. What activity do people just do before Diwali to prepare for the arrival of the goddess Lakshmi? Let's see the leaderboard. Vaibhav is still atop. They clean their homes. That's the right answer. So let's go to the next question. We are on 21st question. We have 14 more questions to go. Best of luck to all of you. The fight is getting tougher. Where did Ravana keep Sita in the Lanka? Did you know the Lanka is the Sri Lanka of today? I'm sure you do. Keep answering. Don't skip questions. There are no negative marks. So you may want to attempt the questions also. There are no negative marks. The leaderboard is Vaibhav, Natalie, Nayam. The top three are there. Let's see the so Ashok Vatika is the right answer. All of you keep doing it faster. Let's see the next question now. Which bird fought ferociously against Ravana at the time of Sita's abduction? This is fantastic. I'm sure all of you are getting it right. Keep doing it. Speed is getting better. Leaderboard has Vaibhav, Natali, and Nayam. Vaibhav, your camera is not on. We will be forced to put you on disqualified. Please remember that. So, Vaibhav, you may want to switch on your camera right now. Natali, you too. The next question is on your screen now. Who among these is Rama and Sita's children?
टेन क्वेश्चंस लेफ्ट बोल दो.
Let's see the leaderboard. Vaibhav, Natali, and Nayam. Vaibhav and Natali and Nayam, if your camera is not switched on, you will not be getting a certificate. I hope you understand. Nayam's video is on. Let's see the next question now. I have
How many brothers did Ram have?
okay, Vaibhav. This seems there's some technical error. Don't worry, we will sort this out.
How many brothers does Ram?
Let's go to the next question. All of you, get ready. Okay, there seems to be some challenge with the quiz. Can you see the questions? Okay.
What was the name of the animal that Sita would have loved to make her pet?
What was the name of the animal who Sita would love to have made her pet? We see that all of you have attempted this question. Let's see the next question. Next question is on your screen now.
Who had composed the original Ramayana?
Who had composed the original Ramayana? Points are getting added to your tally. Let's go to the next question now. Lakshman is supposed to be the incarnation of whom? Let's see how you have done. Yes, we will be showing the leaderboard soon. Let's go to the next question. We have done 28 of these and it's still 7 remaining. Let's see the next question. It's on your screen now.
Ram was the devotee of whom?
Ram was the devotee of which
God.
god? Somehow the leaderboard is not visible, but that doesn't mean the quiz is not working. So keep continuing the answers. Time's up. Let's see the next question.
Correct wrong पता ही नहीं है. Correct wrong पता ही नहीं है.
Okay.
What was the name of Ram's father?
Who was the father of Lord Rama?
Not increasing my points only.
We have put a few questions without points and a few questions have points. So we'll be able to see the tally very soon. Time's up.
Cheating.
Let's see the next question. Yes, Khushi, we understand some questions are without the marks also. Let's see the next question on your screen now. Which kingdom does Princess Sita belong to?
No points. I got correct. No increase. Don't even know if my answer is correct or wrong.
Well, let's see the next question. question is on your screen right now.
Lord Rama paid to whom to defeat the Ravana?
Yeah. How did Lord Rama defeat the Ravana?
Paid to whom?
Let's see the next question. Who was the uncle of Ravana who went to Sita for the golden deer? This is the 33rd question. A lot of questions are without marks also. It's an assortment. Let's see how you guys are doing. Let's see the next question now. Dasharatha was the king of which kingdom?
Second last question. Second last.
This is the second last question. Let's see how you guys are doing. Let's see how you guys are doing. Let's go to the last question after this. The next question is on your screen now.
Don't do.
In the forest, Sita was safe within the. There was a very
Last question.
popular boundary made within which Sita was safe.
Last question.
So we are about to end the quiz. Let's see. The quiz is done. Let's see the scores and who is the winner. One second. We have the quiz results now. You must have seen your ranks by now. But so we have Ishita. Okay, one second. Natali is first, Vaibhav is second, Khushi is third. Congratulations to Natali, Vaibhav, and Khushi. This is the tally. I will put you guys on unmute so you can have ask questions, etc. But I hope you enjoyed. 1 second. I will let you unmute yourself. Natalie, Vaibhav, and Khushi, you can send us an email at hello@podium.school to claim your prize and certificate.
What is your number?
Sir, Hasika sir. Sir, I
You-
am on 51st rank.
Oh, fantastic. This was a relatively tougher quiz.
I am 4th rank.
Oh, fantastic. We have Natalie.
22nd.
Ah,
I am 13th rank. Hasika sir.
oh, very good. So, Natalie, Vaibhav, and Khushi, you have to send an email at hello@podium.school. Please. Okay.
Sir, Hasika.
So basically, the top three are Natalie, Vaibhav, and Khushi, who have to send us an email.
Sir, we will not get the prize.
Don't worry, we'll have enough of these.
So there is one more tomorrow.
Yeah, there is one more tomorrow, which is for the elders. We wish you all a very happy Diwali. Sorry.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, the top three and the other participants will get certificate.
Only top three will get certificates, and the first rank, which is Natalie, will get a gift voucher.
Thank you, sir. Every weekend we will have a quiz.
Sir, next quiz is when?
So the next quiz is tomorrow, but that is for the elder group, which is
Sir,
on Harry Potter. Yeah.
sir, every Saturday and Sunday we have quiz.
We have one quiz every weekend. It could be on both the Saturday, Sunday, or it could be only on one of the days. But we have a session every day, 5 p.m.
Sir, tomorrow it is from which age?
The tomorrow's age is 9 to 13. Okay. But younger, if you're younger to 9 to 13, you can participate. You cannot participate if you're elder to that.
Sir, I am 7.
Oh, fantastic. Very nice.
Sir, I am age is 7. In the next quiz, I can participate.
Yes, if you're younger than the age, then no problem. You cannot participate if you're elder than the age. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. My best wishes to all of you. Happy Diwali to all of you. Have fun.
Happy Diwali, sir.
Stay very safe.
Happy Diwali, sir. Happy Diwali, sir.
Thank you. You all take care. You look very pretty. Get ready. Wear good clothes.
Sir, tomorrow quiz topic.
It's Harry Potter.
Yes, sir, I know. I have taken for that quiz.
Very good. Ask your elder brothers, sisters to also participate. Ask your friends to participate. We will send the link on the group, so you can ask all your friends to join the group also. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is all from our side.
Sir,
Yes, Arundhati?
I am 8 years. Can I participate?
Yes, if you are younger to the age, that's okay. You all can participate in tomorrow's quiz. Anyone elder to 13 cannot participate.
Sir, okay, sir. What is the timings?
Same
Sir, can
time.
I ask you something?
Yes, you can.
Sir, can I participate in Harry Potter quiz?
Yes, some questions will be tougher, but if you can, you can.
Sir, what is the time, sir, tomorrow?
Same time. Every day it is 5 p.m. India time.
So it is given on Book My Show app. A little into the
Yes.
second. Bye, sir.
Yes.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Guys,
bye,
take
sir.
care. Happy Diwali to all of you.
Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Bye, sir.
Take care. Bye-bye. Take care. And the winners can send us an email, okay?
Oh, yes, sir.
Chalo. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye, sir. Bye bye.